Hi guys, back with me again in the tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change font color in Google Docs. So this tutorial will show you the Google Docs mobile version, how to change the font. So open the Google Docs first on your phone, and then open the file that you want to change its font. For example, I want to change the font on this one. Click on that and then click on the pencil icon at the bottom, and here block the font that you want to change its color. For example, I want to change the whole paragraph, and click on this, the A with underline bottom, and choose the color that you want to change into. For example, orange. There are lots of color that you can choose, red, or maybe I want to change it into red, and just like that the font has been changed. It's so easy. Okay, so that's it for me. That is how you can change font color in Google Docs. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do click like and also subscribe our channel for more contents. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.